Hello guys! In this video I will show you how to connect a button to the other page in the header or anywhere, as well going to cover how you can deal with the links on the page. Stay tuned! At the moment I'm using Astra theme. I'm gonna leave the theme in the description, and when you have created a website and you have a ability to have a button on the menu, and if you wanna adjust, you going to customizer, header builder, and here is the button. Which one we're gonna adjust? Press in here, coming to your page, you copy, coming back and paste and publish. I'm gonna switch off, and then if we're gonna press the get quota, we have a sample page. Let's go and add the button in the page. You press on edit, you can find the button, and here you can type any name. Here you have an option align. I'm gonna align to the center. If you come in here, you can have small, medium, large, X large. I'm gonna leave it with the padding as well. You can play, and radius. You can have some radius on your button. When you're happy what you see, you press update and you view the page. And you can see the button is there. Obviously, if you want a link, you need to press on this icon and paste the link to where you want it to link. When you press enter, the page is linked. We're gonna update, view the page, and here the action. Basically, it's the same page, so just refresh the page. Coming back, let's say you wanna add the link on some text. You selecting the text, then press the same on the link, paste the link, press the enter, and link appear here. I'm gonna press update and view the page, and you can see the link is here. About the button colors, if you wanted to change, better to go to customizer. You have global buttons, you have a background colors, so you can change the buttons. It's gonna change all the buttons. So my advice would be, don't do any changes in the Gutenberg, but leave it that for the theme control. And the colors, let's say we wanna change background color to some bluish. You can see it's blue, and it changes well here. And here the link, you can see the link. This is normal. This is hover, so we can change the hover to, let's say, this one. Coming back, publish, and you can see the color is changing when we refresh the page. And if you're not happy, you can always come back by pressing this back button. I would love to hear what you think about the content. Just drop the comment below and share your thoughts. If you get any benefits, please don't forget like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and bye bye. To the next time.